How to get amazing discount codes for Youtooz. Hey guys, let's get started. So first of all, head over to any of your preferred browser and once you tap on it, search for worthpenny.com. From the list, go on youtooz.com and you can get discount codes worth 30%. Here are different kinds of offers which have been code with verification as well. But make sure you check the expiry date. So in order to get and use any of this discount code, just tap open the code and you will get the copy button. You can just tap open it or tap it to copy the code. And once
And
that
to
is
get
done, to get you redirected to your Youtooz, click on shop. From here, you can get all of your preferred products. And while checking out, make sure to redeem the code by pasting it. And just by that, you have got amazing discount codes for Youtooz. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.